Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the fluorescent rod in Fish It Roblox. So the fluorescent rod isn't just for style, it's a game changer for night fishing and deep sea explorations. And if you are new to Fish It, this one is one of the best rod that you need to buy. And I'm going to show you the exact locations and also the price you need to pay to add this glowing beauty to your inventory. Now to start, you can just go to the Fisherman Island and find this little shop right here. This one, it's called Joe's Rods. So you can just go inside the shop and view the collections, and in here you can just swipe until you find these fluorescent road. So the price is 715k, and it has a 300% luck, 23% speed, and the weight is 160k kilograms. So you can just click on the buy button to purchase the rod. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.